Hi everyone, my name is Bhavesh. In this video, we will build a number guessing game. If you are new to Python or programming, don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. So what are we building today? The computer will randomly choose a number from a range, let's say 1 and 100. User has to guess it within some chances. If user guess it correct, user won the game. If user failed it, user till chances, the program will tell whether the number is too high or too low, and if chances are over, the user lost the game. So the logic behind it is you have to generate one random number. We have to take input from user. We have to compare the guessed number with the input with the randomly generated number, and we have to repeat until the guess is correct. So this is basically overall logic. So this is a preview. Welcome to the number guessing game. You have 7 chances. Guess the number between 1 and 100. Let's say 50. Your guess is too small, and you can see one chance is reduced. Guess a bigger number. Let's say 75. Your guess is too small. Guess a bigger number again. Let's say 90. Too small. Let's say 95. Too small. Let's say 99. It's too big. Now let's say 97. It's too big. So let's say 96. Congratulations, you guessed the correct number. So this is the overall project we are going to build. So let's start building our project together. Now, for generating a random number, we have to import random module. Python already gives us a random module, so we don't have to build everything from scratch. Let's say import random. For generating random number, we have int function. It basically generates random number from range, let's say 1 and 100. Random number equal to random dot int 1 comma 100. Now let's say what it generates. Print random number. Oh, it generates 78. We run again. It generates 72. It's 81. It's 42. It's 72. Okay. Now we don't want it. Now we want our user to guess it. So let's ask user guess is equal to input guess guess the number between 1 and 100. But it is a number, then we have to write int. Now we can use conditions. Right, first our if user guess is less than 1 or user guess is greater than 100, then what to do? Let's say print one statement like please enter a number between 1 and 100. If user guess is greater than random number, user guess is greater than random number, then we can use print statement like too high, guess a smaller number, too high, guess a smaller number. If user guess is less than if user guess is less than random number, then print too low, guess a bigger number. Or if user guess it correctly, then say print congratulations, congratulations. Let's run our program. Guess a number, let's say 50, too low. But if you see, our program just terminated after one, then we have to use a loop over here. So let's say while true, it goes until the condition is satisfied. Let's say 50, too big, too small. Guess a bigger number. Let's say 75, too high. Let's a smaller number. Let's say 60, too low. Let's a bigger number. Let's say 65, too high. Let's say 62, too low. Let's say 63. Congratulations. So, but you can see our program still runs. So we have to do something over there. Simply put break. It's simply going to break the program. But if we want to give chances, let's say chances equal to 7, and if chances is there, then we have to give chances less than greater than 0. If chances is greater than 0, now what we can do, we have to decrease the chances. Then we can simply write over here chances minus equal to 1. Similarly, chances minus equal to 1 and chances minus equal to 1. Let's okay. First run the program, check what it gives. Let's say 50, too low, let's say bigger, 75, too low, let's say 90, too high, let's say 80, too low, let's say 85, too low, let's say 88, too low, let's say 89. Yes, now our program terminates because of the break statement. But if you see, we didn't see our chances. So what we can do, we can simply print here, like let's suppose chances remaining, chances remaining, and let's give our chances. But we have to use here f string. Now run the program again. Guess the number, let's say 50. Chances remaining 6. Let's say too high, let's say 25. Chances remaining okay. Too high, let's say 12. Too high, let's say 10. Too high, let's say 9. Too high, let's say 6. Too high, let's say 5. Chances remaining 0. Our program terminates. But if user inputs in invalid input like punctuation or any alphabet, then what we can do? That's main concern. If a user inputs such thing, or program gets error, let's say f, or program gets error, let's say punctuation like star, or program gets error, so we don't want it. So what we can do, we simply use try and except. Let's say try, we have to put all this in try block. Now what we can do, we can use except what we get over there, it's value error. Let's say value error. So we have to use print statement like invalid input, please enter please enter a number, like that. Now you can run the program, and let's say I type f input, and you then the program runs again as usual. Okay, let's say, okay, you can see. Now what we can do, if program ends user unable to guess it, then we have to give user the correct answer. If chances equal to 0, then print game over. The the correct number was, let's say, we want our random number over here, then we can use f string. Now let's run the program, guess the number, 1 1 1 1 1 1. Game over. The correct answer number was 67. Let's, okay. So basically our program is completed, but we can give some print statement over there, like welcome statement. Let's say welcome to the number guessing game. And we can give one more statement like you have 7 chances. You have 7 chances. So let's run it. Let's check. Welcome to number guessing game. You have 7 chances. Let's say 50. Too low, guess a bigger number, and our chance get reduced. Let's say 75. Too high, let's say 60. Too low, let's say 65. It's too high, let's say 62. It's too low, let's say 63. Congratulations. So instead of congratulations, we can also write here like you guessed the correct number. You guessed the correct number. So basically, this is our overall our project. You can build it very easily, and here is a challenge for you. You can add difficulties level in it, like easy, medium, and difficult. What you can do, you can simply, for easy you can give more chances, for difficult you can give less chances, like 3 or 4. For medium it is very good. uh, the common mistakes you can do over here is you forget about int. Next thing you can do is you go in infinite loop. uh, the common mistake again, you can do it. You forget about indentation, that will also give you error. So these are very common mistakes, but you have to careful about it so you don't make it. So if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. In the next video, we will build another Python project from scratch. Thanks for watching.